Hi guys and welcome back. I just want to do a little video today, a bit of a tutorial of how you can just stitch some simple videos together in Windows 10 without even needing third-party software. So it's already built into Windows 10 inside the photo app. All you need to do is go on your desktop, just create a new folder. We can put it anywhere you want really, but we'll call this new video. And then all you need to do is find your videos that you actually want to put together. So I've just downloaded some free ones online. Obviously you can do it with whatever you need to do, so YouTube videos or just holiday photos or whatever you want to do, but dump them straight into that folder. Then all you need to do after that, open up the photo app and just go into folders and then add folder. Now this is the point where you need to find your folder. So we put it on the desktop under new video. We're going to add this straight in, and there's all our videos. So all we need to do, select each one, and then simply go to add to new video of music. Okay, so we're going to call this new video and click create. What that'll do is it will stitch them all together. So these are the three videos I've put together. Pretty simple, and you can add title cards, trim them, split them, do whatever you want from here. But if you want to just literally put them all together, just click finish video at the top, and then it will give you the options of what you want to do. So if you want to send it to someone or something over the internet, maybe you want to go to lower, but if you want to put it onto YouTube, you might want to just go onto the highest settings you got, and then just click export. And it is as simple as that. Save it back into the folder again, and after a few seconds it will save, start playing for you, and that's as simple as it needs to be. So as you can see, it's straight there, it's not lost any quality, and if you go back to the folder, have it right there.